Welcome to this session about flight management. This session will cover how you can look up a flight plan, how you can retrieve the ICAO flight path, display that flight path on Bing Maps. We'll take a closer look at routes, waypoints and navigate, and we will see how we can combine all different kinds of ATM data sources. In the Jumpstart software, we'll go to the flight and then to the flight management tab. In the upper left corner you see several boxes where you can enter search criteria. We are gonna go for the KGFK airport, John F. Kennedy Airport, and I want all flights that arrive there. By hitting the flight list by aerodrome button, I'm now sending a request via the NMB2B web services to NM, the network manager, and I just got here in the grid all the flight plans that are currently filed within this time window and are known by NM. Today I'm going to select a flight from Europe to JFK, and I'll take a flight here from Paris-Charles de Gaulle to John F. Kennedy Airport. By hitting the ICAO path button here, I get the ICAO path as it was filed in the flight plan, and I can just show the path on the map. If I zoom out a little bit, you'll see that I now just showed the whole path on here. Several things can be noticed. We see, for example, the waypoint, the blue stars. We see the routes, these are the purple lines. We see the navigate, and by hovering over them, for each of those, you see some more specific information. Of course, we want to add some more data to this map. I'm going to add meteo data, and we'll say meteo around the flight path. I'm going to add AMDB data. I'm going to add some obstacles, some digital NOTAMs I have, and stars and SIDs. By clearing the path and showing it again, you'll now see that all this information is displayed for this specific flight. By zooming in a little bit, we see here all the meteo information, clouds, wind direction, temperatures, etc. The little orange line here is the standard instrument departure, and if we go to the American side here, we see the purple line, which is the standard terminal arrival route. The little exclamation marks here are all the digital NOTAMs. Hovering over them gives you a little bit more information. And if we zoom in a little bit more, we see pink dots. Those pink dots are data about obstacles. Also here, hovering over them gives you more information about, for example, this light support structure. The last data I added was the AMDB data. You can see it here at John F. Kennedy Airport. By zooming in, we see that all the taxiways, runways, aprons, etc. are now highlighted in their specific color, and even the specific designators are shown on the map here. Some related topics are flight preparation and flight filing. These are two steps that come before the flight management. I also added meteo and digital NOTAM information. Those two need to be downloaded before you can add them to the map. A video about those is also available. I want to say thank you for watching, and if you have more questions, I recommend that you take a look at one of our websites or email us at swim@eurocontrol.int.